Welcome to Money Pit Boating. That's a random raccoon. You gotta get out of here, bro. I'm really scared of you. Hey, buddy. Hey. No, I think it's time you go the other way. What? Not that way? Where? It just came out the other side. It's just wandering between the pontoons. Don't want it to drown. What a weird raccoon. Since this thing is crazy, I'm gonna grab this. I don't want to use it. Oh, tarantula. I don't want to use it. Raccoon, raccoon. Can you hear it? Please don't drown. Oh, didn't drown. This guy is nuts. Why are you coming towards me? Go home. It just does not care that I'm here. Come on, get out of here. There we go. Or not. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. There you go. No! What is going on? No, 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 no. You're not allowed over here. Buddy, you gotta get out of here. Dude, what are you doing? Get out of here! I'm trapped. Let's call Mark.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm trapped on the boat.
What do you mean?
There's a raccoon right outside the door.
Okay. He's not like scared away?
No, I keep yelling at him and he like jumps back a little bit, but that's about it.
This is great. I'll come out and try and save you.
Okay.
Coutts called me and said he was trapped on the boat and there was a raccoon keeping him in the box. So let's see what's going on here. I see no raccoon. Hello? I feel like this is a trap.
Oh, there's Mark.
Oh, I see him. Raccoon!
He is right there.
Come on, buddy, get off the boat. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Why don't you get out of here, buddy? He's kind of like shaking.
Yeah, that kind of has me nervous.
Yeah, dude, that thing might have rabies or something. What are you doing? You're kind of creeping me out, buddy. Wonder if I go around over here. Raccoon, I'm coming over here. Is he still down over there?
Yeah, he's holding the strap, about to look at you.
Get out of here. Oh, yep, I know. Hey, buddy, get off the boat. Come on, buddy. You're kind of scaring us.
What are you doing? You gotta go. Go. Oh my God, it comes right for me.
This thing's out for blood.
Yeah.
I want to try and get a good shot. What's up, Raccoon? Raccoon. Pretty sweet logo, isn't it? Oh, it's like dripping wet.
Yeah, it keeps jumping in the river.
You think he's just like freezing and starving or something?
It could be. Gonna get some bait.
Got some food for the raccoon, got some pirate booty, some little Scooby snacks. So we're gonna try and lure the raccoon off the boat because he is keeping Coutts in here.
Mark's back with a bag of pirate booty.
Pirate booty. There you go, raccoon. That was a horrible throw. I apologize. There you go. All right, well, the pirate booty is not working. Coutts, he's not going for a pirate booty.
Yeah, this is weird.
Maybe he's a Scooby snack fan. Scooby snack? Come on, buddy, we're trying to feed you.
Yeah, get down, get out. Go on. It's fine. No, 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 no. Time to go. Time to go. Go.
Not this way. That's not phasing him. Would you please leave us alone? What do you think we do, Coutts?
I don't know. Even if we scare it away, it might continue to be an issue.
No, I've backed myself into a position where he can come at me.
Not on the boat.
Not on the boat. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, get out of here. Norbert lives up there. Maybe we should talk to him.
Yeah.
Norbert.
You're too bold.
Yeah, something's going on with this thing. Don't we want him to go up the ramp?
He came from like on the shore.
He's like shaking uncontrollably.
Right. Keep going.
Why won't this thing leave us alone? Yeah, maybe block them off. There you go.
At least it wasn't violent.
Yeah.
Terrible
Coutts'
animal.
life.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, we did it.
He's back. I think he lives in that storm drain, and we just want him to go home.
Hello, Raccoon. Oh, now he's going in the water, in between the barrels. This thing is going underneath the dock now, and I don't know what to do. You won't grab his tail.
Nope. Sure not.
Beware of raccoons acting strangely. Unusual behavior such as disorientation or wandering aimlessly. Raccoons with distemper may move slowly and may stumble as they walk. Shaking, tremor, seizing, they may only exhibit some of the symptoms and otherwise appear quite healthy. Raccoons with distemper, please do not feed. Come on, buddy, we're trying to feed you. I kind of think we should call animal control now.
I think it's gotten to that point.
Hello, I have a crazy raccoon in my backyard. All right, thank you. All right, I'm gonna go there.
Go on, get out of here. No. Oh, raccoon. What are you sniffing at, bro? And let's let the professionals do their thing.
Excellent job, gentlemen. Seems bigger, but he's a big one.
A happy ending.